Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to talk about the review of the Realme GT 60 device after using more than 50 days of usage. So it's been more than 50 days using this Realme GT 60, and in this video I'm going to talk about all the things which I did like and I didn't like in this device. So what are the positive things and negative things as well about this Realme GT 60. So all of these details I'll try to discuss in this video regarding the Realme GT 60 device. So first let's start with the basic thing, which is a performance wise. So this is a 8GB version which I'm trying to use in this video. So the 8GB, and there is another 256GB version. That variant has got a slightly UFS storage 4.0, so faster read and write speeds you'll be able to notice, but this is a 128GB model, so I didn't notice any kind of slow speeds. So overall regarding the performance wise, it's pretty solid, I would say, definitely guys. And in maintaining the annual benchmark scores, it was able to reach pretty much close to Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. Not only that, even the CPU throttling test also, it was able to perform pretty decent enough. As you can see, pretty consistent. I didn't see any kind of major throttling happening. So most of the games they were able to play at higher FPS. For example, PUBG game you can play at 90 FPS, and there are a couple of other games you can play with higher refresh rate as well, which is fantastic. So regarding the performance wise, no issues. So you should not be feeling any kind of problem regarding the performance in this Realme GT 60. And let me just show you the Geekbench benchmark scores. So apart from the benchmark scores, the day-to-day usage is also pretty good in this Realme GT 60 device. So no issues in terms of the performance. So next thing, let's talk about the biggest advantage for this phone is the display. So display is a segment which I did particularly like in this device, because the brightness is really very good. The outdoor visibility is completely outstanding in this device. So if you try to use the device in the outdoor, like while traveling, while driving, for navigation purpose, so you should not have any issues to see the screen because of the higher brightness. And you do have the extra brightness feature. Apart from that, this phone is of higher resolution. You can actually change the resolution as well, and 120Hz, and curved display will give you the really very good experience while watching videos. So let me to play the sample video and show you the demo. So this is a video which I'm trying to play, guys. So overall the display quality is really very good while watching content. So for if you're a kind of person who likes to watch a lot of videos and movie shows or Netflix shows or anything, so this display is perfect one, I would say. And the brightness levels, contrast levels is really very good. I did do a lot of display comparison videos, so check those videos in case if you want to know more details about the Realme GT 60 device. So no issues regarding the display I have faced in this device. So performance is good, display is good, and the only thing is regarding the build quality. So build quality also, most of the things are pretty good in this device, no issues. And for example, the haptic feedback is really very good in this device, I would say. Is pretty good, pretty solid. So you don't get that kind of like low quality, it's kind of premium quality only. That's something which I did like. And lightweight also. And but there is a problem with the back speaker regarding the volume if you try to play it 100%. For example, if you try to watch my videos, you will be able to see I did upload a lot of videos regarding the Realme GT 60. So in terms of the loudspeaker back panel vibration issue, so try to check. As you can see, I did upload the video also how to fix that back panel vibration and comparing with other devices. So check those videos in case if you have any other doubts also. That will be really helpful. And don't forget to check the playlist. I'll try to create the playlist for the Realme GT 60 separately, so you guys can actually check at one place all the details about this device. So regarding the build quality, that's only one major problem regarding the back panel vibration. So apart from that, I didn't have any issues. And in terms of the camera, so I didn't use much camera in this device, but overall let me show you. So you can get 4K at 60 FPS also, as you can see, that's also possible. And stabilization will be locked only at 1080 at 60 FPS. And in photos, you can actually zoom up to 20x, as you can see in photos. And while making videos, let me to disable this, and see, you can zoom up to 10x in while using videos, as you can see here, guys. So you do a lot of options. If you want to, you can actually explore time lapse and everything. But slow motion, let me show you the slow motion settings: 1080, 720 at 240. So regarding the camera, I got like mixed feelings. It was kind of okay and decent enough. And front camera is also really wide enough to cover most of the people if you try to take the front camera images. So these are details regarding the camera interface, and let me know in the comment section below what do you think about the camera. Did you have a very good experience or not? So definitely your feedback will be helpful for a lot of other users, but for me, I'm not that camera person, so I didn't use much of the camera. So next thing is about the battery. So regarding the battery, I was able to get easily like 2 days, so 1.5 day to 2 days of battery backup. And I didn't use any kind of SIM with this device. Maybe using with the SIM it might be vary, but overall in my experience I was able to get easily like 6 to 7 hours of screen on time in this device. So 6.5 hours will be the normal screen on time in this Realme GT 60 without any problem. So these are a few details guys regarding the review about the Realme GT 60, which I thought of covering you guys after using 50 days. So I thought of making the video within 5 minutes of time, but it's not possible. But anyway, so let me know in the comments how is your experience if you try to use the Realme GT 60. Meanwhile, signing off, until then stay tuned and bye.